Today in this video we are growing salt crystals. So let's start the video. Start by adding 75 milliliters of water in beaker. The quantity of solute and solvent will be different for every solution. Then I added 20 grams of potash alum in it. I have also made 3 other solutions. After preparing the solutions, heat the solution to evaporate, a third of water.
5 hours later.
Crystals begin to form when the solution becomes concentrated. At this stage, remove the beaker from hot plate and slowly cool down the solution to produce crystals.
One hour later.
A large number of crystals have grown on the bottom of the beaker. Thanks for watching.